Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
I'm gonna start recording my first travel vlog today because I'm going back home for Easter holidays. I didn't actually go on Easter because Easter was yesterday, but you guys get what I mean. So it's 9 a.m. right now. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep because I was washing my hair yesterday until 5 a.m. My first appointment is at 2, but I'm on my way to Mitchell, get my cousin to do my cornrows for me. And I'll take you guys with me because this is gonna be in for a long ride. Guys, my cousin did my cornrows. I'm gonna oil my scalp now and I'm gonna get going.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard on your body. Come and see me again. I'm not. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
Guys, I just finished getting my hair done. I'm on my way to get my lashes done and nobody can tell me anything right now. I look so pretty. I'll make this look nice. It's not even about taking the long way home right now. Like, all London boroughs are seeing me today. No cap.
You see my big guns run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again.
Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 of our vlog. I just woke up really late actually because I need to make another video. I'm supposed to be content creating at the same time. I went and washed my face and I'm gonna do like a really quick skincare and a bit of, I don't even know if I want to do makeup today, you know. The plan for today is getting our nails done, going on a date with our boyfriend, and then coming back and packing. Hopefully I can pack before leaving, but I don't think I can because the main thing on the to-do list for today is to record a Shein haul from the stuff that I bought to go to the trip. We're gonna do a quick skincare and I'm not gonna do makeup for now because I did feel really pretty because I just got my lashes done and everything. So I might even go on a date with my boyfriend without makeup. Okay, so while I do my skincare, we're gonna do a bit of an overview about yesterday. So basically yesterday was day 1 of the maintenance vlog. I slept at 5 a.m. washing and deep conditioning my hair. I don't know why it took so long, but whatever. Then I woke up at 8, go all the way to Mitchell, to my cousin's house so she could do my cornrows. And then I had to go to the hairstylist. My hair was literally the star of the show yesterday. Best decision I've made. And I also got my lashes done. The thing with my lashes is, yeah, I wear glasses. I don't think I've worn my glasses in any of my vlogs, but anyone who knows me personally here knows I wear glasses, and like I have a really high prescription, so I can't stay too long without wearing my glasses. And the lashes that I asked for, I literally took a picture of the girl's profile and I told her like, oh, you've made this before, I want this. And you know, getting your lashes done, you have your eyes taped shut. So I didn't know what was going on. These lashes that you guys see right here, I wouldn't wear them. I do think they look nice. I just wouldn't wear them. I feel like they're too much on my eyes. they feel a bit too heavy. In the beginning, when I first saw them, I was terrified, honestly. But you guys know that, you know, customer anxiety, in which you don't want to like be an inconvenience to the person that's doing your hair. But then at the end of the day, you're paying 60 pounds for it, so you might as well get what you actually ask for, you know. So yeah, I ended up leaving the place, you know. I thanked her and everything, because that's the thing, that the girl was like super sweet. Like, she was so sweet. I felt so bad for like being an inconvenience, but then I really thought about it, and I'm like, you're gonna have to speak up, honestly. Like, as I'm getting older, I'm 19 now, I realized that like, you're actually paying for something, you should get the service that you asked for. And the girl was the sweetest girl in the world, and I felt so bad. But I actually left her house, and then I texted her like, oh, I'm outside, like, I'm sorry for being an inconvenience, but I need you to remove some of these. You see what I mean? She was so sweet, even enough to like record some content for my vlog. Like, I don't think they looked bad in another person. Like, I could actually see somebody looking good in those, but it just wasn't me, honestly. It was just not something that I would wear. It wasn't the lashes itself. I hated how they looked on me. And my mom was gonna hate them even more. My mom is even gonna hate this one, so I'm not even ready to go Spain and for my mom to be like, "Y esas pestañas tan largas?" I'm not ready for that, because my mom's gonna say that. My aunts are gonna say that. And I'm just not in for it. You get what I mean? Like, because these lashes are giving really London babes, but people in Spain, I've never seen anyone with them. So I'm not really ready for all the complaints that I'm gonna have by my people. Let me put on some gloves. It was really painful to get some removed, but I did it. And yeah, and then they looked better. But I did think they looked nice, and I did think I looked pretty, but I literally feel like I got makeup on 24/7. But I don't. I'm just here with my lashes looking pretty. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer, SPF, and I'm pretty sure that's it. And set up for the Shein haul, and then I'm gonna record a Shein haul and be back with a vlog. You guys get what we're doing today, yeah? It's a busy day. We need to leave the house at 3 a.m. tonight, because we're flying 8 a.m. tomorrow, and we need to check in. Let's get to this. I love it, honestly. Great airport fit. Super cozy. You guys see this? It's super fussy inside. I love it. 10 out of 10. So yeah, let me do my hair. Put on my trainers. I think I'm gonna wear this ones. My Air Forces. I'm gonna wear it like this. This is the fit of the day. Let me go a bit back. You guys can see it. Oh, let me take down my hair. So yeah, yesterday it was literally bone straight, but it's not straight anymore. Plus it's raining per usual, so I'm not even gonna straighten it again. Of the day, we're going to be mixing this too. So it's the Red Temptation and Golden Decade from Zara. I absolutely love them. This will get you so many compliments, you know. And some gloss. This one. And then my big black coat, and I'm out.
Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of you?
Hi guys, I just finished doing my nails. They look really cute. I don't think this can focus, but whatever. It started to rain again, per usual, and I need to protect this frontal and these lashes over everything right now. And on my way to Leicester Square, because I'm going on a date with my boyfriend, just to say bye-bye before I leave for holidays.
Silence, turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then calm down when you see.
I just came from a date with my boyfriend. I just made it back to my house, and I still need to pack. I'm pretty sure it's currently like 9 or 10. I'll check it now. And we're leaving at 3 a.m. and I still have a couple things to do, so pack with me. So the first thing we're gonna pack is going to be my under cabin bag. I have a 10 kilogram suitcase and that, so I'm gonna try to put all my shoes and accessories and makeup on the under seat bag. Hi guys, it is currently 3 a.m. on the dot, if I'm not wrong. So we're about to order the Uber to get to the bus station, and then we're gonna take a coach from Stratford to the airport. So did a little ponytail. Straight hair wasn't straightening anymore, it was like super big. So this is what it's looking right now. I got my rings, let me show you this hand. Got my ring with my nails, with my lashes, with my hair. Get into it. All of my luggage. I got the underseat bag plus the 10 kilograms suitcase. And that's me, ready to leave. I put on this cropped bomber jacket because I can really wear it with anything. So yeah, I think it's convenient. My pockets are so full. It's kind of embarrassing, but you know what? It's life.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
That's my lady. Guys, it's currently 4:50 a.m. Look at my nieces. They look mad as hell. Guys, so I put everything that was on my bag here in this little Ziploc bags. I'm really mad at the fact that now you can only do one per person, because I remember when I started like traveling by myself, you could literally take just as many as you wanted. But yeah, that's life now. We passed control already. I'm here with my sister. And yeah, now we're waiting for like our nieces and our other sister to get going. You can't see ours there yet. Oh yeah, you can. So it's the Ryanair 820 Madrid. It says relax because we literally got here like 1,000 hours earlier. It's crazy. Like 4 of us, like 4 grown adults. Madness. Turns out my niece was like surrounded by people crying. We're gonna get CPS called on her. Mira. A ver, ¿qué es? Guys, it's finally the morning time. I think it's like, yeah, it's 6:30 and our flight leaves at 8:20. So yeah, we're just waiting to leave now. Dying to leave because I'm tired. Guys, it is 7 a.m. already, so our flight is leaving in like less than an hour. Guys, we just made it to Spain. It's super hot here, like extremely hot.
When you gave me something I don't really feel.
We're on the belts now. We're grabbing the bag that we checked in and also the baby's car. Guys, my nephew ran out for like the 10th time today. Guys, so currently, me and the kids, they left me with the kids. So currently we're waiting for a taxi. We need a taxi van because it's 7 of us, plus we still need to like put in the suitcases and the baby's car. So yeah, now we're waiting for the taxi. There's like many coming like through here, so it won't take long to get it. Guys, we are finally in Leganés, which is our hometown. I'm really happy. Are you happy? We just went out to eat. We were at my best friend's house. Now we're on an Uber on the way to my house, and we're gonna surprise my mom. We just checked her location, and she should be like getting home just now. So I think we're gonna get there around the same time. I'm gonna try to record like her reaction to the surprise, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be able to, just because it's like me and my sister. We have like a lot of luggage with us, but I'll try my best. Guys, I don't know if you guys have seen, but that's my mommy. I am so excited. She's literally gonna flip when she sees this. She's not expecting us like at all. Guys, so my mom doesn't know we're here obviously, and we think that she went somewhere shopping because she was literally coming on the way home and then she just disappeared. So she went somewhere else. Que no